In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account on booking.com. If you no longer plan to use your booking.com profile and want to remove your account, this process is fairly simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to go and what to expect along the way. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct account since account deletion is a sensitive action and is usually meant to be permanent. Start by going to the official booking.com website in your web browser. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to confirm that you're logged in. If you're not signed in yet, you'll need to do that first before the account settings become available. After that, look toward the top area of the page and click on My Account. This will open your account options and give you access to the settings related to your profile. If the page layout looks a little different on your screen, don't worry. Websites sometimes update their design, but the account menu is usually still found in the top navigation area. Next, go into Security Settings. This is where Booking.com keeps the options related to account protection, sign-in preferences, and permanent account actions. It's a good idea to move carefully here, since settings in this section can affect your access to the account. Inside the Security Settings page, find and click Delete Account. This will take you to the final part of the process. At this stage, Booking.com may show a warning or confirmation message to make sure you understand what deleting your account means. Read the information on the screen carefully before continuing, especially if you have upcoming reservations, saved payment details, or travel history connected to the account. You'll then be asked to choose a reason for why you want to delete your account. Select the option that best matches your situation. This step is usually required so the platform can collect feedback about why users are leaving. Once you've chosen your reason, click Delete to confirm the request. And that's it. Your account deletion request will be submitted. In some cases, the deletion may happen immediately, while in others, you may receive a confirmation or need to wait a short period for the process to complete. As a final tip, make sure you no longer need anything stored in the account before deleting it, since you may lose access to bookings, preferences, and account history. If this video helped you, you can follow the same general path again anytime you need to review your account security options on booking.com.